Hey there, I'm Jason Wentland with Altorfer Product Support. At Altorfer, we know your equipment has to be ready when you are. That's why our customer value agreements are designed to take maintenance off your plate and keep your machines working longer with fewer surprises. Across all of our locations, our commitment is built on scale and readiness. With over 80 service bays, more than 100 field technicians, and over 140 shop technicians, we're equipped to respond fast and fix it right. That's why we are upping our game with premium CVA options. With every CVA, you get the essentials that keep your fleet healthy: equipment monitoring, fluid analysis, genuine CAT parts, and support from Altorfer's trained technicians. We offer 3 CVA options, each one built around how to choose to maintain and operate your equipment. This is our service commitment to you. Our basic CVA keeps things straightforward. You get the CAT filters and fluids you need at every interval, along with SOS fluid analysis and equipment insights through VisionLink, all backed by our parts availability guarantee. It's everything required to stay ahead of maintenance with zero guesswork. Our premium CVA is for customers who want Altorfer to handle the work. Every planned service is completed by certified technicians using genuine CAT parts with fluid analysis, machine monitoring, and priority parts availability built in. You get predictable maintenance costs, dependable support, and flexible billing to fit how your business runs. And when you need complete coverage, our maintenance and repair CVA gives you confidence that both planned maintenance and unexpected repairs are handled. With the maintenance and repair CVA, if service does not have your machine up and running by the end of the second day, Altorfer will credit you $1,000. This is part of our 2-day parts and service guarantee. From routine service to major components, travel for technician calls, monitoring tools, and rapid service response, it's our most comprehensive plan. It keeps your machine protected through its entire life cycle. No matter which CVA you choose, the goal is the same: keeping your equipment dependable, reducing downtime, and giving one clear plan for maintaining your fleet. Talk to your Altorfer product support team to find the CVA that's right for you. This is our service commitment, keeping you up and running.